Hello, Tteokbokki is a delicious hearty dish that fascinates Koreans. Today, I'm going to make a vegan version of Tteokbokki using Penne Rigate, which is an easy way to enjoy Korean Tteokbokki. I didn't have rigatoni, so I used Penne Rigate. You can make it with rigatoni. First, bring a pot of water and a pinch of salt to a boil. While the water is boiling, I'll prepare the ingredients. Chop the green onions, slice the onion and mushrooms. Yubu is tofu that is cracked, drained, mixed with vegetables and seaweed, and deep fried. Cut the fried tofu into thirds. Since you're using yubu instead of fish cakes, you could stir fry or boil a variety of vegetables to make a stock, which will increase the flavor. Once the water is boiling, add the penne rigate and cook for only 4 minutes. Drain them because you'll need to bring them back to a boil with the sauce. Add water to the pot again and bring it to a boil. I'm going to add the seasoning directly as it cooks because I'm tired from all the dishes to wash. Once the water is boiling, add the vegetables, but don't add the fried tofu yet. Reduce the heat to a gentle simmer without overflowing. Adding cabbage gives the tteokbokki more texture and increases the sweetness. When some of the moisture has been released, add the penne rigate and simmer for 2 minutes. Finally, add the fried tofu and simmer for 3 minutes. The combination of spicy and sweet flavors from the tteokbokki has a great taste. The chewy texture of the penne rigate also works well. I love the light, savory flavor of the yubu and how it's soaked in the sauce. If this tteokbokki is too spicy for you, you can pair it with vegan mozzarella cheese. I used regular cheese. Please note that this is for illustrative purposes only. Try making rigatoni, tteokbokki for family and friends who are not used to the texture of rice cakes. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching today.